Decoding Personal Communications in Chicago Style. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the realm of academic writing and research. Specifically, we'll be looking at the Chicago citation style, focusing on the notes bibliography system. Among the many facets of this system, our topic for today is Citing Personal Communications. Let's unravel the mysteries of this citation style. In the context of the Chicago style, personal communications refer to those sources that are not publicly accessible. This could be letters, emails, text messages, interviews, conversations. Because they're not retrievable for everyone, personal communications have a special way of being cited in Chicago style. Let's find out how. You might wonder, since these sources aren't accessible to everyone, why cite them? Well, even if they aren't publicly available, personal communications provide evidence and context for your arguments. They add depth and authenticity to your work. But always remember, before you cite someone's personal communication, get their permission. Alright, now for the most crucial part. How do we cite these sources? Here's a simple structure. 1. Name of the communicator. Start with the full name of the person you communicated with. 2. Description. Describe the nature of the communication. Was it an email, a letter, a conversation? 3. Date of communication. Mention the exact date when the communication took place. Here's an example. John Doe, email message to author, July 7, 2023. Note that these citations will typically appear in the footnotes or endnotes of your paper, and they do not usually appear in your bibliography since they aren't retrievable by others. A few quick pointers to keep in mind. Always ask for permission before citing someone's personal communication. Be precise with the date and nature of communication. Remember, not all personal communications need to be cited. Only cite those that have relevant information to your work. And there we have it. The intricate yet fascinating world of citing personal communications in the Chicago Notes bibliography system. Remember, citing correctly not only adds credibility to your work but also pays respect to the sources of your information. We hope this video has been illuminating. Keep writing and keep citing. Until next time.